Alright guys, I got the new CIVIVI Elementum pocket knife here. And I'm just showing you, man, these daggum grips, the G10, they're awesome, man. CIVIVI is a very good knife. An awesome knife. It's got very good metal. It's got a very good blade. It's very thin too, so it makes good cuts. It's got a ceramic ball bearings. It's got the flipper, and it's got the case lock. Very good knife. I would recommend it to anyone. If I could do anything, if I could change anything about a knife, I'd make it just about an inch longer. But other than that, it is a very awesome knife. Very good craftsmanship. Very well made. I will be buying more CIVIVI knives in the future.